Hey guys, I want to show you how to remove the button trim panel on a Volvo S60 2013. Okay, in order to do that, just remove the door panel, turn it upside down, and on the left hand side here you can see a small pin. Just take that one out. It's like really easy to take out. Okay, can't do it properly with one hand. And then turn this one around like so, and then get one of them, insert it here, and then easily pry it out, and this whole thing would pop out. Okay, I've already done it. This is my old one. Okay, that's my new one. All done. Okay, this is how it looks on the back. It's got 4 screws in there. You gotta take the button out and then put it back there. And that's you done. Thanks for watching.